Are you struggling to limit your LISTAGG results in Oracle SQL? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and show you how to group your data effectively. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to get specific results from your SQL queries. Many users face similar challenges, especially when dealing with large datasets. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I limit my LISTAGG results to only the first 3 rows for each group? This is a common requirement when you want to summarize data without overwhelming your results. To understand this issue, we need to recognize how LISTAGG works. It concatenates values from multiple rows into a single string, but it doesn't inherently limit the number of rows it processes. So, how do we impose that limit? Let's explore. Stay with me because at the end of this video, I will share a powerful tip that can enhance your SQL skills even further. To limit the results of the LISTAGG function to only the first 3 rows, the user can use a common table expression, or CTE, to first rank the orders for each name. Next, the user should select from the CTE, filtering the results to include only those rows where the rank is 3 or less. This will ensure that only the top 3 orders are considered. Finally, the user can execute the complete query to retrieve the desired output. This will group the orders by name and concatenate the first 3 orders into a single column. Fun fact, the LISTAGG function was introduced in Oracle 11g, making it much easier to work with concatenated strings. Before that, developers had to use more complex methods. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using a common table expression, or CTE. They suggest applying the row number function to assign a unique number to each order per name. Then you can filter the results in the where clause to include only the first 3 orders. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution involves using a case statement along with row numbering. First, you enumerate the rows with row number, then use LISTAGG to concatenate only the first 3 orders for each name. Remember, LISTAGG ignores null values by default, so this method effectively limits the output to the first 3 records based on your specified order. And here's the tip I promised. Always test your queries with sample data before running them on large datasets. This can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. You now know how to limit your LISTAGG results in Oracle SQL. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep practicing, and you'll become a SQL pro in no time.